Today I'm going to introduce you this product, electric torque wrench, iMotor, and it has 360-degree rotatable head with 20-to-1 control angle. And now press this main button to put device on. It has two working modes, forward and reverse. The speed range from 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 rounds per minute. The torque range from 10, 15, 20, and 25, 30, and 35, 40, and 45, 15 Newton centimeters. Now press this power button to turn this device on. And press this button again to stop. Press these two buttons to turn the device off. And press the two buttons again. If you choose the